back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be really fun because today I'm going to do a Nykaa haul, as you guys can see, and this will be like a try on Nykaa haul. Yesterday I actually went to Nykaa store and I picked up few makeup products, like really unplanned, but I just thought of picking up few products which I haven't tried but I heard really good things about. And I am really excited for today's video because I have few affordable products, and I think most of the products are really affordable. One or two is like a little bit expensive product. I'm going to show you what I actually purchased from Nykaa, whether I will love it or hate it, how it looks on my face. Let's get into the video. I have a really good story for you all. So I went to this Nykaa store, and which is in City Center 1, KOLKATA, Salt Lake, and there was like a sweet girl came to me and she was like, Antara, I really love you, love your videos, and I was so happy. And she also took a picture with me and it was like the sweetest moment ever. So I just want to share with you guys, even if you see me anywhere, make sure you come and say hi. It just makes me happy. The entire day I was just smiling, and even now remembering that moment, I am just proud of myself, proud of you guys, and how you guys love me and support me. It just means a lot to me. So I just wanted to like share this cute incident with you all. And yeah, thank you so much for loving me and supporting me as well. Okay, moving on to the video. The first product that I have is this. This is K Beauty's HD translucent powder. And I do have K Beauty's compact powder that they have, but it is dark for my skin and I don't love that. So I picked up this one. This is in the shade white, which is like a translucent one. And this is for 7.99 rupees. You get a lot of product, by the way, and I am going to open this for you. You have the product. This is what it looks like. It's a loose powder, as you guys can see. I do have my foundation, so I'm gonna quickly use some concealer and set my face with this. I don't have a new concealer or anything like that, so I'm gonna use my random concealer, my Mars or Swiss Beauty's concealer, and then I will set my face with this. I was so sick for like a week or so, and it was like, even now I am a little bit tired week, but oh my god, I was so sick, and for the medicines I'm taking, it is making me so sleepy all the time, so tired. So yeah, it is really hard for me to get up and do my work because of my body is still a little bit weak. So yeah, this concealer is so good. It is going to be my favorite forever. Packaging of this powder is really interesting because you need to dip your brush over here. So I'm quickly going to remove the sticker. ASMR moment. So you guys can see here, you have the powder. You need to dip your brush like this. Set my under eye area. Wow, the powder is so fine and it just melts with your skin. Moving on to our next product. So I do have an eyeshadow palette, so let's start with this one. This is Elf's eyeshadow palette. This is the one, and this is the Earth and Ocean eyeshadow palette that they have. I love Elf Cosmetics, as you guys know. They are super affordable, and I loved this color story. I don't have anything like this in my collection, like the blues and earthy tones. It is such a beautiful eyeshadow palette. Look at this. This is what it looks like. You get some shimmer shade, some matte shades, some earthy shades, and it looks stunning. So I don't know what look I'm gonna do, but yeah, let's start. I will definitely use this shade right over here, but I think it will not match my kurti, but let's see what I can do. First, I'm gonna start with this shade right over here. My brush, this is Miss Clear eyeshadow blending brush M14. I take the shadow and blend it right over here. I'm not going to take it inward, just the outer section of my eyes. I'm taking it a bit more and building up the color. Use it right over here, the inner corner. I cannot see any fallout and they are just blending so beautifully. I love ELF eyeshadow formula, like the bite-size eyeshadow palette that they have. Such a good formula. But this one is also really good. This is what it looks like. You can see that there is like a part which I haven't used any eyeshadow, like the middle part. I'm going to do the same thing on this eye as well. Take this color right over here, which is not a blue, like a deep blue color. It is something in the middle. It contains like a very it is a beautiful color, by the way. I am going to take my eyeshadow brush M10 from Miss Clear and use it, which is like a small blending eyeshadow brush, and I am going to blend this color with the brown that I used first. I'm gonna take this color and I will take a flat brush like this, like a flat smudging blending brush like this, and this is from this brand called Belly. I'm just going to mix them together, placing the shadow with this brush and blending it out with this Mars Cosmetics brush. Take this shade right over here. This particular shimmer shade is a little bit different than other shimmer shades that I have tried, but it is beautiful. Now I do have one eyelash which I'm really excited to try out, and this is the eyelash. This is from Huda Beauty. This was so expensive, but I just wanted to try it out once. This is in the shade, this is in the style Samantha, the classic style Huda Beauty eyelash, and I really wanted to try it out. This is what it looks like, as you guys can see, and like so professional and high quality. Like I can touch them and feel they are super high quality. This is what it looks like. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. This is amazing. That you can definitely purchase these eyelash, and also this eye makeup look turned out so good. Really loved the palette, the eyeshadow palette from ELF, and this eyelash, they go so well with each other. My eyes are looking so pretty. Quickly mention this product which I purchased. This is ELF's Lip Exfoliator, and this is in the shade Sweet Cherry. This is their lip exfoliator, which by the way I have used, but still I just wanted to show you. This is what it looks like. This is what Sweet Cherry looks like, and I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it is like packed with coconut and sugary. It is packed with like scrub. It is a scrub, but it looks like a lipstick, and it is so easy for you to scrub your lips with this. I am totally in love with this one, and it was like a random buy, but I really loved this one. This actually smooths out your lips, it makes it really hydrated as well, and it is so easy for you to scrub it out like a lipstick. I do think it is a good product. I also have this eyeshadow stick from K-Beauty. This is in the shade Highborn, and this is what it looks like. I do have another one which is the purple one. I forgot the name. Let me just... So this is what Highborn looks like. It is a olive shade which contains so much sparkle, and I love a good olive shade, as you guys can see. And it is like that one-handed eyeshadow, and one-handed eyeshadow video is coming up super soon, so stay tuned for it. I know you guys will love it. Such a pretty color. Two other products. So one is this lip gloss which is from Elf, which I will use right now. I'm just gonna remove the packaging. This is their Plumping Gloss, and this is in the shade Mocha Twist. This is the one. I do have a little bit of lipstick on my lips, so let's see how it looks. Oh, this is so thick. I definitely can feel that tingling sensation on my lips. Looks so beautiful. Look at that. Last one that I have is also eye pencil, and this is from Nykaa. This is their Glamour Eyes eye pencil, and this is the shade. This is like this is 05. It is like a beautiful blue color. This is what the shade looks like, as you guys can see, and it also contains that shimmer particles, but it is quite matte. Contains that not shimmer particles, contains a beautiful sheen to it, and it is very pigmented, very intense. Super excited to use this one as well. Guys, that's it. This is my full face using every product that I purchased from Nykaa, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. What do you guys think of this makeup look? I personally think it went so good. It is actually not matching my outfit, but it is looking so beautiful. The eye makeup turned out so good, and that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna link everything in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.